we're going to learn how to embed a video directly into our site. So an embedded video is a video that appears straight in your site, and your user doesn't have to click to another site to access the video. They can watch it just within your site. So let's have a look at an example. Just this one here, so you can see the video is embedded and my user can press play and stop and watch the video as they're in my website. So it's actually quite easy to do this in Google Sites. So in order to do this, you're going to use this embed feature over here. And so we'll start off by going back to our document, and you can see I've given you 2 links to embed. So I'm going to start by copying this first link, so highlight and copy. And then back into our website, I click on the embed link, and then where it says by URL, in this box here, I just paste that video link in there. And you can see it appears there, so that's what my video is going to look like. I hit insert, and you can now see it's now in my website. And I can maneuver this around if I like, or just keep it there, and I can make it bigger and smaller if I choose. So what I'm going to get you to do is embed the 2 video links from the document. So again, going back here, here's your second one, copy that link and embed that into your site.